Going to be 8 times. All right, so Robbie D, Lions, Gabe, Gregor, Marino, Gabe, and Nikki C. 8 times on the dice, 10 spots, 1 winner. Top person gets the San Diego Chargers and XR. Fills the break. Good luck to all parties. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I click it. 7. 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Boom. Going to Nikki C. Sorry, Gabe. Sorry, Marino. Sorry, Gregor. Sorry, Lion. Sorry, Robbie D. Nikki C on the welcome back mojo. Let's see. All right, Nikki C. Chargers. Ellie. Scotty. Jumble. And then Detroit, Tennessee, Washington L, and Tennessee going to be Haas. And I need to see who has 49ers. Me neither. I think so. I think once or twice. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. XR football. 6-box break, numerico. 10-0 is what I have, oh. Is that right, oh? I don't think so, but we'll roll with it if that's what it says. Yep, we'll just say number 10A. Let's go through the team owners. We got ATL going to London. AZ Riley. Baltimore J, a.k.a. Double J. Bills, Jeff P. Carolina, London. Chicago, Kenny. Bengals, Robbie D. Browns, Gregor. Cowboys, Ram. Broncos, Gabe. Lions, Joe. Packers, Scotty. Texans, Beef. Colts, Ellie. Jags, Ellie. Chiefs, Otis. Chargers, Nikki C. Staten Island. Rams, Tibbs. Dolph, Whitty. Vikes, Ellie. Pats, shut up. And we got Saints going to Ken E. Giants, Ken E. Jets, Ray. Ray Sports Cards. Raiders, Ray Sports Cards. Eagles, Gregor. Steelers, Brain Damage. 49ers, Ellie. Seahawks, Mitch. Bucks, Tarzan. Titans, Haas. And Washington, Ray. Oh, yeah, you do have Lions. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. DeAndre, baby. Let's go, DeAndre. Here we go. Alright, guys, if you want some, come get some. Let's go. If you want some, come get some. Come on and get your kicks. With a Gila Monster. Tex with a filthy Gordie Howe last night. All right, you gotta love XR. Mad respect, XR. Shout out. All right, we got a rookie. 249. RJ Epenza. Buffalo Bills, 249, and an orange to 99. Frank Clark. That is Wendell's grandson. I didn't know Wendell's grandson. I had no idea Wendell's grandson was in the NFL. Huh. I did not know that. Interesting. Yeah, you should learn something every day. Oh, now I can tell. Okay, now I can see. You can totally tell. Makes sense now. And 149, Christian McCaffrey. Carolina Panthers. And we got a rookie. Jersey Auto, 199. Chase Claypool. Going out to the Steelers. XR continues to do its thing as always. And we got James Prochet for the Ravens. With a Gila Monster. With Burger King. Los Angeles. And we got 249 Jake Fromm rookie for the Bills. We got 249 Devontae Parker for the Dolph. And we got, looks like to me it would be called triple threads. Number to 75, J.K. Dobbins. For the Rave, number to 75, triple mem. And we got a rookie auto, Dalton Keene. 199 for the Patriots. And we got a rookie, Grant Delpit for the Browns. Now I know Grant, ancestors are the first ones to create a massive circle with music playing, smashing into each other as hard as they can. Their last name originally was Mosh. And then they had to change it through the court systems based on someone patenting the phrase. Number to 199, DJ Dallas. Seahawks. 249, Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Extreme rookie to 99, Jake Fromm for the Bills. With a Gila Monster. You picked the wrong team, Jose. And we got a nice triple mem rookie auto. Lynn Bowden Jr., number to 75 for the Raiders. There goes the Raiders. And we got a rookie, Lynn Bowden Jr., double dip. We got rookie 249, Donovan Peoples-Jones. Browns for the Peeps. Rookie number to 99, James Morgan for the Jets. To 99, Morgan and the Jets. We got a dual jersey, team materials to 99, Matt Stafford and future Pimp Daddy himself, DeAndre Swift. To 99. And we got an auto. X-Potential Inc. number to 10 gold for the Chiefs. Mecole Hardman Jr. Gold to 10. And a rookie of Quintez Cephas for the Lions. Good old Quintez. We got a rookie, Marlon Davidson, 249, ATL. Bears, David Montgomery, 249. Tua, transfer now, Whitty. We got a Gilded Greats, number to 99, Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. One of Ellie's favorite players. Besides Jimmy Schultz. And we got a rookie patch auto, number to 49, Denzel Mims for the Jets. Mims the word. Mimsy's in the Jets. One thing you don't do is mess with Mims, you know. And we got a rookie, James Morgan again for Winnipeg. Just joking, just joking. New York. We have a sachet. It's a major sachet. Galladay. Drake. We got a rookie, Desmond Patman, 199 for the Colts. And number to 49, rookie Jeff Gladney for the Vikes. To 49. And we have a fatty, Len Dawson. Memorabilia to 15 for the Chiefs. Go old guys. And we got an Emerald. Memorabilia auto, 5 of 5 for the Jags. Dede Westbrook. Autographed swatches, 5 of 5 for the Jags. Going to the Lcat. And we got a rookie of Darnell Mooney. If you want some, come get some. Los Angeles. Can't wait for the Kintaro hit. A little TB action. And 199 AJ Terrell. Rookie for ATL. We have a PP. 1 of 1 for the Titans going to Hazy. Derrick Henry. PP for the Haas. Nice little PP there. And we got 149 potential Josh Jacobs. 149 for the Raiders. Brutal Beckett. Marutel. Oh, here we go. We got a sick triple mem auto. 149 Jalen Hurts. Nice Jalen. Eagles. Jalen with the Eagles. And we got a rookie of Jeff Okudah. Okudah Matata. That is Lions. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie, 249 for the Chiefs. 249 Devontae Adams for GB. Triple mem number to 49, Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. And we got a rookie auto for the Ravens, 199, James Proche. Think he was Soch. Desmond Patman. Forgive the vision and the spelling abilities. I was in a spelling bee on TV in 1985. They're like, how do you spell cat? I was like, K-A-D. I was like, what? What are you talking about? 249 rookie, Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay. Teddy Bridgewater for the Panthers. 249. We got a fatty jersey, number to 25, rookie Anthony McFarland Jr. That is the Steelers. And Devin Asiasi, 199 rookie auto for the Patriots again. This guy gets pulled all the time. And we got a rookie of Josh Uche, Patriots. Uh-oh, we're getting down to the wire here, guys. Here we go. Nicky C, 199. Herbie Hancock. Justin Herbert, 199 rookie for the Chargers. Nicky C with the Herbie. And we got DJ Moore, number to 99 for the Panthers. And we got a Gilder Greats 149 Teddy Bruschi for the Patriots. One of Peggy's favorite players. Pimp Daddy. Triple Mem rookie auto. DeAndre Swift. 149, most underrated player. Dude is a pimp. Chase Claypool rookie for the Steelers. And we got a rookie, 199, Grant Delpit. Good luck, everybody, for the Browns. We got number to 99, Sam Darnold for the Jets. Darnold and the Jets. And we got a gold, number to 10 for the Cowboys, Michael Gallup to 10. Nice Gallup for the Cowboys. And we got a rookie jersey auto, rookie excellence, to 75 KJ Hamler for the Broncos. Hamler putting the hammer down. We got a rookie Cole McDonald, Tennessee Tight. All right, final pack. Here we go. We got a rookie 249, Donovan People-Jones. Browns again. We got Derek Carr, blue 199 for the Raiders. for Los Oak. We got a memorabilia rookie. Number to 25, JT, a.k.a. Jive Turkey, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Nice looking card. Cool memorabilia there. Oops. You got to be kidding me. And a rookie auto, Quez Watkins, 199 for the Eagles. Whoever has the Eagles, you feel like this card is any way, shape, or form not what you think it should be, let me know. Get you another one, but I think it's good. Quez Watkins, Eagles owner, let me know when you get it. And we got Brian Edwards for the Raiders. Hockey 31 custom coming up. Sorry for those who did not have a good break. Congrats to those that did.